An Anatech Hummer 6.2 sputtering system. So basically it's a high voltage with vacuum and argon gas system. You place your sample to be dealt with on the stage. You have your chamber, it's glass. Place it there. The lid comes down. This is an aluminum etching ring, that's what's coming with this unit. Any other exotic metals you'll have to get yourself. The aluminum is for etching only, unless you want to aluminum coat something. Once everything's together, turn the power on, turns the vacuum pump on immediately. First time of the day, the vacuum may take a few extra minutes to come up. Normally it'll take maybe up to 5 minutes. So it gets to about 40 millitours fairly quick, and then it's just a couple extra minutes to that last 10 or 20. So if it's left to run longer, it'll actually go beyond the scale, and the machine will not allow the high voltage to kick in. You'll need a vacuum for the high voltage circuits to be able to kick in as well as the lid being down. There's a lid switch. So once you have your vacuum, you can connect your gas to the port here. Presumably that's argon gas. So I'm going to just turn it on. It'll let outside atmosphere in, but we won't exceed the vacuum limit. From here, you can also adjust your gas flow with this knob. From here we can turn on the high voltage. In plate mode, it's a DC voltage, so that what's on the stage will be bombarded by the molecules of what your plating ring is. So you raise, so plating, the manufacturer recommends a limit of 15 milliamps. So as you raise it, you can see a plasma forming. Low voltage. For etching, it reverses the polarity so that anything on the stage will lose molecules to the etching ring. Make sure you remove if you have gold or palladium or something exotic, make sure you remove that ring and replace it with the aluminum, otherwise you're going to be coating your ring. Once again, raise. Now this one, for etching, you can go, manufacturer recommends high as 20 milliamps. You can see it's a nice healthy glow now, plasma. So then, the last stage is plasma exciting. That's actually an alternating current voltage, which basically does a microscopic level scrubbing of your sample. And that one is also 20 milliamp limit, recommended by the manufacturer. The argon gas that you would connect to the supply, they recommend no more than 5 to 6 psi. And pulse mode can be used in any of the 3 modes, and basically it's just an on-off mode, so that it reduces potential heat on your sample. So now it'll be off for a certain amount of time. And it's back on for a certain amount of time. The first off cycle is the longest. So besides pulse mode then, let's turn this down. You can also, this is in manual mode, you can also use the timer for the procedure. When the timer reaches 0, it kills the high voltage, so that you don't overplate or over etch anything. And the table for the platform is also adjustable by a ring. The nut, the large plastic nut. And that should do it. When you turn on turning off the unit, it automatically vents the vacuum, so that just a few seconds later you're able to lift the lid.